Jamoy, how you feel if you leave for vacation with just me alone? Vous partez en vacances avec moi tout seul. Ça te plaît ou pas?
Yeah.
Oui?
Yeah.
But your face has said different things, look. Maya? And you? How you feel, Mims?
Yeah.
You happy?
Je sais pas.
Yes, I know. I would like when daddy if you come to, but
Yeah.
no, it's just us. When daddy don't get vacation until next week when we come back, so we can leave again for the holidays. D'accord?
Chapeau!
Oh, we're finally in the car, heading to the train station to catch our train to go on holiday. I'm so excited. Going on holiday solo with 2 children. This is the first time in my life I'm going to travel on the train with 2 young children. When Alex was younger, back in Jamaica, I used to go up and down, across Jamaica. 14 parish with Alex. All the time. When Alex was younger, but it's gonna be the first time with these 2. Me alone I travel with the 2 of them. Just me and the 2 of them are going on vacation. Alex is going to be home. Matt is going to be at work. Alex, I searched summer jobs, so Alex not coming. Just in case he get called from somebody. But people, I am so stressed. I am so, I don't know if to describe my feeling. But I'll see you all when I get to my destination. I'm so happy I'm leaving on vacation with my babies. Are you Maya? Wanna happy?
Yeah.
Maya?
Non.
Why you not happy, Maya?
Parce que j'ai pas envie d'y aller.
C'est pas vrai. But because she don't want to go.
Parce que sans ma maison, je vais mourir.
But see, I carry your nunos with you there. See, I carry your wolf with you, but you can't sleep without it. People that take in Maya and she can't sleep without it. So everywhere we go, as long as she can sleep, we have to carry Mr. Wolf.
Si je dors sans peluche, je vais mourir.
No, you're not going to die. Maya, no.
Je vais dormir la nuit.
No, you're not going to die. She said she don't sleep with it, she's going to die. Anyway, guys, Matthew is going to take us to the... You know, every time airport makes we come out and them we're not going to airport. We're going to train station. We're going to this train station. We're going to take the train and go where we go. And Matthew is in the supermarket to pick up some snack to eat on the way. That's the supermarket behind us. So we're in the car. I wait for Matthew to come back. And he's coming. So I'll see you guys when we reach to the train station. Finally made it to the train station. Train are coming in 5 minutes time, you know, we wait. Maya, ready? You ready? Yeah, we're ready. I'm gonna live life, I think, Kako. J-boy. J-boy. Oui, oui, oui. Je t'aime. Allez. No, pleure pas, Jamal, parce que si tu pleures, tu vas... Jamal, pleure pas. Jamal. Regarde, Jamal, parce que si tu pleures, tu vas l'arrêter. D'accord? Arrête de pleurer. Right. Voilà. Ici, il n'y a pas de d'accord? D'accord, mon frère? Pleure pas. On va partir en vacances, tout va bien, d'accord? D'accord? On va pleurer. Non, Maya, non, 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 non. Là. Dis-moi, t'as envie d'enlever ta casquette ou pas?
Non, ça va.
You want one, Jules?
Moi, je veux sauter. Je vais sauter après glisser.
Maya, sit down, Maya. Alright, so people may travel. I'm a bag strap pop out, the two of them pop out. Watch them. So one all right here, sir. And one all pan the next side. You hungry? And there, my bag strap up. So now look, Miss, want something to eat. Maya, sit down. Here.
Partage.
Jemai, you want one too? Or you go stay and play a game the whole time? Jemai,
Allez,
you want one?
merci.
Sit down here, mon cœur.
Allez, à toi, Maya.
All my babies.
On joue.
Let me see your game.
T'es mort. Vous voulez mourir?
We have 2.5 hours to go. No. 1 hour and 45 minutes to go, yeah. The train stop at this one train station, yeah, so about 10 minutes now, 5-10 minutes.
Mesdames, Messieurs, notre train Ouigo, destination de Nice vient de partir. Prenez garde à la fermeture des portes, attention au départ.
Alright, you're gonna leave now.
C'est la route de Nice, mais nous, on s'arrête avant.
We're gonna leave now. I'm gonna take my figure out my eyeglass. I forget my eyeglass and I forget one jacket. I take out my jacket and put it on top of the settee to carry with me and forget my glasses. I don't know what a trip. When I hear it alone, I can think about everything because the other half is not here to help. So like, I guess I have to buy one if me get cold or me have to let me one.
Comme ça, les gorilles ils meurent avec toi. Je sais c'est ce qui est pas bien, mais bon. C'est le but de mourir.
Wow!
Pardon.
This phone was for Matthew. You will find it now.
Et pourtant j'ai tourné. C'est nul, pourtant j'ai tourné. Ça fait encore il est là et maintenant.
You finish your coloriage, Maya? One more hour to go. I'm in this train almost. Not even know how long now. I can't wait to come out. Now I start to feel like I'm on vacation. What now I start to feel like I'm on vacation. I can't wait to get off this train. Then to pick me a switch seat for me. No, tu mets les masques s'il te plaît. Check. Oh my god. Then I match up the people in the train. Now you might find somebody to play with. Mind you hurt yourself, Jamoy. We soon reach Maya, 30 minutes more. T'as envie de dormir? And then we are leave. We soon come off. So you want to sleep now? We soon come off. Can the film, which part the film festival take place? This is where the film festival takes place in Can rich people place. Can.
Et là, ça arrive. Si j'écoute bien, l'arrêt.
You want to swim?
Non.
You see people in the water, you want to swim?
Non, c'est pas Nice.
I say you see people in the water.
Mais c'est pas
That's some our time. We are finally in the city where we're gonna vacate. Finally in the city where we're gonna vacation. So we have about 15 minutes more on the train and then we'll get off. I'm so happy. Can't wait to explore the next side of this train. Outside. I can't wait to come out and go outside. Oh, you must have
de faire ça.
Can't wait to go
Regarde,
outside.
tu veux bien de faire ça. Regarde. En fait, tu mets tes deux pieds là, tes deux mains là, et te soulèves toi-même. Moi j'avais un petit coin en même temps de faire ça. Regarde ce que j'arrive à faire.
Apartment building, hotel.
Regarde ce que j'arrive à faire. Oui, regarde ce que j'arrive à faire. Et je sais me secouer.
Wow. Alright, we're gonna kill them. Then done color. Oui, il y a beaucoup de travaux. Il y a lots of work going on this side of the road.
Parce qu'il y a beaucoup d'habitants. Ça s'appelle les habitants.
It's a little boy bad for me coming out train and be that them I do. In the bar along the world place and know him call over there.
Non.
Enlève le A et mets un O.
Attends, Maya. We're finally off the train.
On est arrivé à Nice. Elle parle pas français, faites attention.
No, I speak English now. Finally come off of the train. And we're going outside now.
Elle dit qu'on est dehors.
She translate all of the French people them. So we are going to do. Wait, thank you Jesus. We reach alive. The queen is finally here. Hold on. Finally reached our destination, guys. Train ride and all is over. Now we're at the pool enjoying ourselves. But I can't see me if I got my eyeglass at home or maybe between yesterday and today. But hopefully we can get one to buy tomorrow. So we can get to see. Because I can't see a thing now. So I hope you guys enjoy today's video. Maya, say hello. So I'll see you guys tomorrow in another video or whenever.